Let me show you how you can share your iPad or iPhone screen on your live stream in StreamYard, whether you're on a Mac or a PC. I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video with ease. In this StreamYard tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dazzle your audience and help you stand out on a live stream using your iPad, iPhone, or any other mobile device to teach and showcase your content. Let's go over to my computer now, and I'll walk you through sharing your iPad and mobile devices in StreamYard. To get started, you will need to connect your iPad and your Mac computer together using the actual cable. Once you've done this, you should see a message on your mobile device asking you to trust the computer. The message that you will see is on the screen now, and you need to select the trust button, and then you need to enter your password. Once you've done this, if you've done this correctly and it's worked, you should be able to open up Apple Music, and then you'll see your devices displayed in the devices section on the left hand side here. If this doesn't work, try to unplug it and replug it, and I find that if you do this, it will typically show after this. Then from QuickTime, go to File and New Movie Recording. And now once you open up QuickTime, you'll be able to see the content of your actual iPad, iPhone device through QuickTime. One little trick that I found, if you're having problems trying to get QuickTime to show your iPad screen instead of your camera, is if you hover over this little drop down section here for the camera feed, you might be able to see the camera and your actual iPad there. So make sure that it's switched to the right one. So try giving that a go if you're having problems bringing in your iPad. So if I was to open up an app, I would simply select it. And as I use the iPad, you can see what's happening on it on the screen. Now to share your iPad screen in StreamYard, we're in the StreamYard studio. We want to go to share in the bottom of the studio here. We're going to click on that. We're going to go to share screen, and then we're going to go to window, and we're going to select the movie recording, and you will see the QuickTime logo here. So click on that and click share, and this will add it to the actual live stream. So here it is here, the actual content of my iPad on the actual live stream. Now, depending on the layout that you're using, your iPad screen probably won't fill the entire live stream screen. So you'll probably be able to see spaces or the background on either side of the iPad. One of the things that you can do to address this is you can add an overlay. So I've had an overlay created, which I can apply to the actual live stream, and it will cover that space and give that beautiful iPad looking feel so that everything feels a bit more seamless, and it's just a beautiful look that you can add overall. If you're a PC user or if you're a Mac user and you can't get the QuickTime hack that I showed you to work, the second option that you have to share your actual mobile devices is to use an app that I actually love, which is Reflector 4. So to get this working, you would need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for both the mobile device and the computer that you're live streaming from. Once you're on the same Wi-Fi network, on an iPhone, you would swipe from the top right-hand corner down, and then you would enable screen mirroring. And then what you want to do is you want to select your computer, which should be displaying here, to connect to your actual device. Once you've done that, you'll be able to enter the on-screen code into your actual mobile device. Now, the content of my mobile device is currently broadcasting on my actual computer. And you can see that as I'm interacting with my mobile device, it's currently sharing it to my desktop. Now, to share your mobile device from the Reflector 4 into StreamYard, we're back in the StreamYard studio. We're going to go to share in the bottom of the screen here. We're going to go to share screen. And this time we're going to select the entire screen that my device is currently casting to. So I'm going to select that and click share. And this is now showing the content of my mobile device on the actual live stream. And you can see that there already is a beautiful device mock-up, so you don't need to add an overlay. Reflector 4 put the device in an overlay for you, so you have that beautiful look ready to go for your actual live stream. And that's how easy it is to share your iPhone, your iPad, or any other mobile device into your live stream using Reflector 4 and StreamYard. If you found this video useful, hit the like button for me. Let me know in the comments section below. What other live stream tutorials would you like to learn about? I love making these videos for you. And in the meantime, why don't you either check out my StreamYard playlist or grab a copy of my YouTube blueprint where I share my framework to help you go from stuck and overwhelmed to thriving and profitable on YouTube. Check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.